Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to showcase you how to print your notes from Onyx Boox Note Air device. So during this use case we are going to leverage the Google PDF viewer, which will allow us to print our notes. So for that we need to achieve a couple of prerequisites. So let's assume we don't have Google Drive PDF viewer actually installed. So what we are going to do, we are going from the apps into the app management, so application management section. Then we will enable Google Play option, which will allow us to download any Google type or Android type of applications that are not necessarily in the default store from the Onyx Boox. So let's enable this, and throughout this process we'll need to authenticate to our Google account, and we'll need to confirm that we are not robot, and basically fill in CAPTCHA and register our device. Now upon this step we will see that the Play Store, Google Play Store, has actually appeared in our application management section or application section. Then we are going to log in with our Google account into the Google Play Store, after which we can download the Google Drive. So let's download it, wait till the download is complete, then let's wait for installation, and we can now resume the main steps. So let's assume we would like to print one of our notes that we have taken. So I'm going to create a new note. For testing purposes I will just write with the pen test print note. And now in order to print this note, there is no direct option to print the file from this notebook. So what we can do, we can click on more and share, which will allow us to display all layers and convert them or share them into the PDF bitmap format. So let's jump in directly to that PDF. So we can click and hold on this notebook PDF, and let's change the default viewer, and let's open this file using the Google Drive PDF viewer. Using the Google Drive PDF viewer, we'll be able to print out note when we click on the three dots. You see it now, we have print option. We can select the printer. We just need to make sure that our Onyx Boox tablet is on the same Wi-Fi as our printer. And here I'm assuming that you have a printer that is actually capable of printing through the Wi-Fi network connection. So when you click on the select printer, it should automatically detect your printer. We'll select it, and you see that we have now a new button in the right side for printing this PDF file. So let's click on it and let's wait a bit, and you will see that our printer actually received the command and is printing the file. You see, like, it is printed actually very nicely. It's very dark black color. And yeah, that concludes our quick today's demonstration, and see you in the next one.